Hello, Professor Frank. My name is Nancy Ha. I am near the end of completing my bachelor's in dental hygiene with just 2 quarters to go. I currently reside in Issaquah, Washington with my husband of 2.5 years and our 4-year-old Yorkshire Terrier. I work 3 days a week while in school full-time and plan to pursue a master's in oral biology once my course of study is completed at Eastern Washington University. The subject I have chosen to present is restorative materials, and the unit is titled Material Selection, Amalgam and Composite Restorations. My mentor is Mila Toublé. She is currently a restorative hygiene instructor at Seattle Central Community College. Sometime in winter quarter 2014, my presentation will take place here to the first-year dental hygiene students. Here's a brief overview of my lesson plan. The presentation in clinical restorative hygiene focuses on the 2 types of dental materials commonly used by dental hygienists. This information provided will familiarize students in choosing the right materials for different restorative dental procedures. The topics to be covered are uses for amalgam and composites, physical and chemical properties of amalgam and composites, guidelines for appropriate mercury hygiene, and factors contributing to material selection. The student objectives are to 1. Discuss the factors to consider when selecting restorative materials and assess the appropriate uses for each. 2. Demonstrate the guidelines for safe handling of dental amalgam in clinical settings. And 3. Identify the indications for use and the characteristics of amalgam and composite fillings to provide patient education. Aside from the PowerPoint lecture and YouTube videos, students will also participate in a game of Jeopardy! The game will be made using large, multicolored index cards and a poster board. Students will be divided into 3 groups and 12 trivia questions will be asked. This learning activity should take roughly about 15 minutes. As a wrap-up of the presentation, students will be given a brief quiz consisting of 3 short answer questions. A handout of student questionnaires will also be provided for feedback of the lesson plan and effectiveness of the presenter. I'm excited to now take the pieces that were put together last quarter and ready to move them into action. Thank you.